I'm in Florida and I'm on vacation and I've been injured. What do I do? Hi, my name is Eric Stevenson and I'm an attorney at Stevenson Klotz Injury Lawyers in Pensacola, Florida. And you know, we have a lot of people who come to our area to vacation, and unfortunately they might get in a car wreck or they might get injured at their hotel or something like that. And so this is a great question because it's important to make sure that you know what Florida law is and that you know what you need to do to get better. So the first thing is, if you're hurt, go to the doctor. If you've got to go to a local urgent care or a local ER, then go. You know, Pensacola has good medical facilities. Anywhere in Florida has good medical facilities. So go to the ER, go to urgent care, get treated immediately. Why is that? Well, you're not going to get better if you don't. You're not going to know what's wrong with you if you don't. But also it documents that you were injured. Then follow whatever instructions they give you. And when you get home, go see your doctor or go see a doctor where you are to start getting treatment for whatever your injuries are. It's real important in a claim that you treat so that you can document your injuries so that if a claim is made with an insurance company, they know exactly what's wrong with you and there's medical proof of what your injuries are. And then the real reason for all of that is you're not going to get better if you don't go to the doctor and you don't treat. Okay, so that's what you do as far as medically. Go to the doctor. If you're in Pensacola, if you're in Panama City, you're in Destin, wherever you are, go to urgent care, go to the ER, get treatment, and then follow up with your doctor at home. But then what do you do legally? Well, call a lawyer in Florida near where the accident happened or that practices, has an office there or regularly handles cases in that area that specializes in personal injury, and have a consultation with that lawyer. Most lawyers that handle personal injury cases work on a contingency fee, which you see people say no fee unless we win. What that means is that if you don't have a case, you're not going to get charged. But it's worth it to let a lawyer do an investigation to see whether there is a case and find out what happened so you can know your rights. Consultations with most lawyers that handle personal injury cases are free, and so you can get good information and good advice on Florida law so that when you go away back home, you've got a lawyer who can counsel you on how to handle your Florida claim and can walk you through that process. So if you're on vacation and you get injured, go to the doctor and also talk with a lawyer in that area who does personal injury cases about what your rights are. So thank you so much for joining me today. This is an important question. A lot of people ask it. And so I appreciate your time. My name's Eric Stevenson, and I'm with Stevenson Klotz Injury Lawyers. If you've got a case, bring it to us.